1. There are two types of Flowmeters: CAN and PWM signal. Connect the CAN signal Flowmeter to PMU CAN1 CAN to ports. Connect the PWM signal Flowmeter to F1 and F2 ports. 2. Open the ground station and tap Device Management. Select and enter the sprayer. 3. Tap Flowmeter Calibration. Pour a specified volume of water into the tank and enter the corresponding value. This video demonstrates the procedure with 10 liters of water only. Tap Confirm to start calibration. Wait for the automatic calibration to complete. Wait until no more water sprays from the nozzles. Tap Confirm to end calibration. 3. Tap Flowmeter Calibration. Please place a graduated measuring cup at the water outlet. After the liquid in the measuring cup reaches 2-5 liters, enter the volume of the liquid. In the video, a 2 liters graduated measuring cup is used. Tap Stop to finish calibration. Enter the water volume on the left in the L field, and the water volume on the right in the R field. Click Confirm to complete calibration. Thanks for watching.